Good morning, ladies. It is Saturday and I am starting my Saturday morning routine. So I figured that self-care is such a big deal and so important that I would bring you guys along for my Saturday morning routine. I got my camera, I'm dressed, and I'm getting ready to go to the gym, Planet Fitness, because it's cheap, and you know your girl is cheap, and get my workout in. I usually get up at 7:30 and then try and be at the gym by 8, but I'm running a few minutes behind this morning. So let's go. You probably get here and you're like, okay, all right, Planet Fitness. I'm coming in and you're gonna get what I give you. But today I'm pretty excited because I'm getting to show y'all what it is that I do for my self-care Saturdays, is what I like to call it. The gym just kind of became a sacred place for me. I was in a really bad place mentally and emotionally. I just started working out on my own. Not what I was forced to do with the army, but just like on my own. And I started realizing that like when I came and worked out, I felt so much better. I felt so much more confident. I felt like I was doing something for myself. I really liked the way my body was turning out, and it was just a good place for me to go and kind of decompress and get some alone time, get away from my husband, get away from my son. I don't care how y'all think that sounds, but just to get away from all of that and just kind of have some personal me time, some self-care time. And yeah, and so today I'm about to show y'all how it goes down for your girl on a Saturday morning in the gym. I did work out yesterday, and I did and my legs are super sore, so I'm not gonna be running today. I'm just gonna be doing jump rope as my cardio, but the rest of the workout, you know, it's about to go down. Let's go. Gym workout is done for this morning. On Saturdays I usually just hit full body. I try to do a little bit of everything so I can just shock my entire body, and have Sunday to kind of just let my muscles recover and things like that, because during the week I'm focusing more on muscle groups instead of full body. So after I finished working out, then I had to either Starbucks or tropical smoothie. Say what you want, this is your girl. Make sure that on Saturdays I go clean it out, wash it, as in go through the washing, drive through car wash, let it do its magic, and then just clean the insides out, vacuum and stuff. So good morning, can I get a grande skinny iced vanilla latte with almond milk, whipped cream on top. Ooh, look at that. What's up, ladies? I'm still out on my self-care Saturday, and I'm about to go get some electrolysis done on my chin, which I've done one session already. I'm getting ready to do my second session, which is where the lady goes in with a really, really thin little thing that goes into the hair follicle and like electrocutes it or shocks it in order to keep it from growing hair. So the first process, I did it for about 30 minutes, and now I'm about to go do it again this weekend, a week later, because I have some little stubbles that came back. So I mean, just being honest, like I had a couple hairs on my chin and I decided to get them waxed complete, like just get a wax, and it just brought them back like crazy. Like all relatives, everything just came back. So I'm sick of it. You know what I'm saying? I'm sick of having to have tweezers in the car, in the kitchen, in the, you know, bathroom, and everywhere in order to not run my hand down there and feel a little hair. So I'm going through this process, which is going to shrink the hair follicle every time she goes in. She shrinks it, and then the hair, it takes longer and longer for the hair to grow back, and eventually it stops growing back. So that's really what the goal is with electrolysis, and I'm on my second session, and already, like, since the first one, hair has kind of stopped growing as fast. Like usually it would be a little bit more, but this time it's only like a couple. So I'm just gonna go back and let her do her thing today. So and then after that, I am going to try and find me some Ugg boots today, because we're going bowling with some friends, another couple from church, and you know, we're just gonna have a good time. So I'm out here in these streets. Self-care Saturday. So I just got my chin done. So I'm about to have some lunch and work on a coaching program for a client that I have coming up. So I'm kind of moving out of self-care time into a little bit of work / care for my belly time. Enjoy myself a little bit, which I think is so important. So that's what I'm going to do here for the next 30 minutes or so. Just kind of have some time to myself, work on some things, and get to working and seeing what I can come up with. All right, so I have made it back to the house. I'm done self-caring at this moment, almost. So, like I told y'all, tomorrow I'm starting a 15-day challenge because I turned 32. So I kind of want to do a 15-day challenge to see how I can change my body over the course of 2 weeks just by eating healthy and working out every day. But before that takes place, I need to share something with you ladies. Now, I know what you're thinking. First of all, you're thinking that my cake is ugly, but you're being judgmental. Second of all, you're wondering why I'm about to eat and indulge in this. It's not just to, get it in before I can't get it in anymore. It's just because it's here, The ladies I socialize with, they bake cakes from scratch, so I'm determined to do the same. And this one was pretty good, but I had some left, and so it must be eaten. I mean, don't judge me because you see that little top missing, okay? I know what you're thinking. You're thinking that my cake is ugly, but actually I had my top on there, and my icing just came off. So, I hope you ladies enjoy your Saturday. I'm about to go bowling with the fam and enjoy my guys this evening, so I will talk to you ladies later. Thanks for tuning in to my Self-Care Saturdays.